Hello folks, Joey Image here with another tech unboxing and demo for you, I guess you'd call it. Today I've got, this is actually like a bunch of things in one little unit. It's the Wamgra, there you go right there, NightLight and wireless speaker, Bluetooth. It's also got a clock on it. It does a whole bunch of cool stuff. It's actually, oh, it's larger than I expected. That's what she said. All right. So first of all, well, here's the. Hold on a second. Here's the unit itself. Oh, it's also got a. Oh, I guess the SD card reader would be for music. USB host. I don't know what the hell a USB host is, but there you go. So the front, this part just lights up. There's controls on the top you can see. Whoops, sorry. I'm trying to make this straight. There we go. It's not going to focus. There we go. It does focus. That's the front. There's the back. I'm not sure what USB host means, but I'm assuming you can put a USB thumb drive in there as well as a micro SD card. It's got a slot in the back for audio or music or whatever. All right, I'm going to get rid of the plastic, which is, that's the best part. All right, so in the box, two cables. All right, this is micro USB and a 3.5 to a 3.5, which is for an external. Yeah, you can hook up an external auxiliary audio source, which is kind of cool. Here's the user manual. So here's all the functions that this thing does. NightLight, wireless speaker, clock. So NightLight function, the Wamgra DY28 Plus. So the standard DY28 is just white. This is the DY28 Plus, which is different colors. So it does the light, the clock, alarm, Bluetooth wireless speaker, plays MP3s, obviously audio, micro SD card, and USB flash drives. It's also got a speakerphone. Oh, that's pretty cool. So it also does speakerphone with a built-in mic. That is pretty cool. So here's the instruction book. Right? Oh, sorry about that. The user manual right there. So you can see right there under product features, over here where it's got all the stuff listed. I didn't realize that it did speakerphone. That's kind of cool. Although I don't talk on the phone because I don't use my phone for a phone. You get the idea. I don't use it for that purpose. All right, let's turn this bad boy on and see what we got. There's an on-off switch in the back. I see some. All right, so the clock just turned on right there. The time is currently 23:50, which it means 8:57. I guess. I don't know how to set that. I'm sure there's obviously some sort of function with the buttons up here. So wait a minute. All right, so that must be just the power for the clock, because up top there's another power button, which now turns it off. Okay, so I don't get it. Is there two power buttons? Oh, it says high when you turn it on, and now it's 23:51. So if I hit the, I guess there's two power buttons, which seems kind of strange. It says high. All right, so mode. That's not the date, but it's okay. There's an alarm.
Bluetooth connected.
Bluetooth connected to what? What did it connect to? Hold on a minute. It just said Bluetooth connected. Oh, it's in pairing mode, and it's, so my phone found it. Okay, so the phone found it. It's in pairing mode. It's blue, meaning it's set on the Bluetooth function. This is going to be a wacky video. Oh, Jesus. I don't know what I just hit, but the light turned on. Aha. Aha. So the logo on top right there, the little Wamgra logo, if you hit that, it changes the color. Very cool. I like blue. It's my favorite. Okay, well then, I guess I'll go to green. Oh, sorry, yellow. I mean, or orange, or red, or pink. I did want blue, or purple, or blue. This is kind of cool, actually. I like this little light thing. That's pretty sweet. Let me hit the Bluetooth and see how the audio sounds as I get a copyright strike. Here we go. Royalty-free beats and instrumentals. Let's just try this. Okay, so the volume on my phone is all the way up. There's 2 volume buttons in the front here. Up and down. Actually, it's down and then up. Not bad. I mean, it doesn't sound bad for a little Bluetooth speaker. Not bad. Okay, I see. So the power button is also pause and play. It's not bad, actually. This sounds very clear for a little unit like this. I shouldn't say little unit. It's not little at all, really. This is pretty cool, this thing. Alright, you get the idea. Actually, I'm going to use the pause button right here. There we go. So you get the idea. So it scrolls through the colors. It's got Bluetooth right now. It's on as the speaker. Here's the back again. I don't need to run through every single function. I mean, you know how to plug in an SD card and a USB stick to get it to play. There's an auxiliary for auxiliary speakers. There's the micro USB for charging. There's on off again, and then there's another one on top. So I'm guessing there's 2 power buttons or whatever, because you know, when you have it sitting on a desk or whatever, you have the front facing you, which is this side. So this will be back to the wall or whatever. So you're not going to want to reach around here all the time and hit the on off. So you just got the one right on top here, which I like, actually. It's a really cool touch and a lot of thought put into that. I will have close-up photos of this at the end of this video, which is coming up soon. Because, again, you get the idea. I mean, I don't need to show you how to plug in an SD card or how to plug in the USB, right? I mean, that's easy. I don't know how to set the clock, but I will check all that stuff out in a little bit when I actually get this set up in my house. But anyway, guys, this is really cool. I dig this a lot. Again, this is the Wamgra NightLight wireless speaker. I will have an Amazon link for this down below, so please check that out. Please check me out on all social media platforms as well as Twitch, Joey Image TV, that's Facebook, that's Twitter, that's YouTube, that's Instagram and Twitch. I think that's all there is for me. Guys, again, Wamgra NightLight Bluetooth speaker, clock, speakerphone thing. I like this a lot. I also, one thing I forgot to mention, rubber feet at the bottom, so it doesn't move around your desk. It doesn't slide around, it doesn't move at all, actually, which is very, very good. I'll have close-up photos coming up at the end of this video, which is right about now.